Meaning of frond.
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 Frond. Frond refers to the large, divided leaf of ferns and certain palm trees. Fern fronds typically grow in a spiral pattern from the center of the plant, and are often used as decorative foliage in gardens and indoor spaces. Palm tree fronds, on the other hand, are more linear and fan-like in shape, and are used for decorative purposes as well as for thatching, weaving, and making brooms. In general, fronds are important for plants as they help with photosynthesis, provide shade and shelter for animals, and contribute to the overall aesthetics of the environment.